To get grid view for our Google Meet tomorrow, first you want to make sure that you are in Google Chrome. Here is the icon right here for Google Chrome. Then you'll go to the post where I have said, here's how to get grid view for our Google Meet tomorrow. It will have the link that you need as well as the link to this video. So you will want to make sure you're in Google Chrome and then press this link that says Google Meet Grid View, Chrome Web Store. It will take you to this page. It shows you what grid view looks like. Pretty cool, huh? We could see all of our faces at once. Right here is the button that you have to push. All you have to do is press this button and it will add it to your Chrome. Now I have already added it to my Chrome, so this says remove from Chrome, but your button will say add to Chrome. What that will do is when you join our meeting, oh hi. When you join the meeting, you will, instead of seeing the part here with people's faces, if you press this right here, this little box that has a bunch of boxes in it, that is grid view. And then you would be able to see all of your friends' faces at once. So hopefully that explains to you a little bit about how to do grid view. Tomorrow I will post a link that all you have to do to join our Google Meetup is press on it. Hopefully I will see a lot of you tomorrow at 2 p.m.